HD Ravanna. Now we're getting a reaction from the JDS MLA on this entire scandal. Now HD Ravanna has said, and I quote, "I have all the strength to fight this conspiracy. I will fight it out. I will face the investigation. All these allegations are false," is the pitch coming in from Prajwal Ravanna's father, HD Ravanna. Listen in.
ನನಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಎದುರಿಸೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ತನಿಖೆ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಎದುರಿಸೋಣ, ಏನ್ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವಂತ.
ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ತನಿಖೆ.
ತಪ್ಪು ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾವ ತನಿಖೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ
ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಈ ಆರೋಪ ಬಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ಆರೋಪ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಅದೇನಿದ್ರು ಕಾನೂನು. ನನಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಎದುರಿಸೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ತನಿಖೆ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಎದುರಿಸೋಣ, ಏನ್ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವಂತ.
ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ತನಿಖೆ.
ತಪ್ಪು ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾವ ತನಿಖೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ
ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಈ ಆರೋಪ ಬಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ಆರೋಪ.
Ritu continues to be with us on the broadcast. So why HD Ravanna's son, Prajwal Ravanna, is in Europe? The JDS MLA is very confident that this is an entire conspiracy and the charges will fall flat. Ritu continues to be with us on the broadcast. Ritu, so HD Ravanna very confident over there, even though he's facing very serious charges. As per that FIR, the complainant on whose allegation this entire FIR was lodged, she claims that HD Ravanna as well as Prajwal Ravanna sexually exploited her as well as her daughter since 2019. So these are serious charges coming in from the complainant, but HD Ravanna saying that this is all a conspiracy to malign the JDS's image.
Well, very true, you say, with that serious allegations now coming on the HD Ravanna as well as on the Prajwal Ravanna. You have HD Ravanna who's still in the States, Hassan district in Holenarsipura, which is his, he's an MLA from that particular constituency, of course. But now you see he's saying that there's a huge conspiracy attached to him and his family. But however, he's not scared of this conspiracy. He will fight it out with full strength, and he will also, in fact, with all that investigation process on, he will also coordinate with the officials and ensure that he is providing full cooperation in that the investigation process. But meanwhile, you see, what is the big question over here is that when finally will the HD Ravanna in fact appear before the SIT, even as his son is still not in the country, whether that he is still waiting for the second notice or there is something else that he want to fight it out legally as well. So all that, on a one hand you have on the other side HD Ravanna saying that of course Prajwal Ravanna did not knew about it, that after he leaves the country there would be an FIR registered against him, and there would also be a formation of the SIT. In fact, a foreign tour was completely a pre-scheduled trip is what that HD Ravanna is saying. The whole family will completely go with the investigation process. They welcome the investigation is what that you have now HD Ravanna making, providing that whole of clarification on investigation process.
Absolutely, and the JDS top brass has also made it clear that they are open to any investigation when it comes to this entire sex scandal that has rocked Karnataka ahead of phase 3 of the polls. Remember, 14 seats go to the polls in the next phase of the elections, phase 3, where 14 seats go to the polls in the state of Karnataka. Thank you, Ritu, for getting us the latest as the war of words continue to escalate. Let's listen into more reactions coming in.
Mr. Modi, Mr. Amit Shah knew exactly what he was being accused of. His party leaders had given him proof, उनको साक्ष्य दिए थे, और उसके बावजूद भी उन्होंने उनको अपना संयुक्त उम्मीदवार बनाया, उनके लिए प्रचार किया 15 दिन पहले. ये क्या मजबूरी थी? ये क्या पाप कर रहे हैं अमित शाह और नरेंद्र मोदी? क्या उनको नहीं पता है कि हज़ारों ऐसे वीडियो थे, हज़ारों महिलाओं के साथ ऐसा हुआ, और ये सब करके ये आदमी भाग जाता है? नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह को पता रहता है कौन अपनी बेटी से कब मिलने जा रहा है, उनको इस बारे में नहीं पता है. दिक्कत की बात यह है कि इस देश में आधी आबादी के साथ खोखले नारे, बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, नारी शक्ति अभिवंदन, सिर्फ खोखले नारों से काम नहीं चलेगा. ये असलियत है आपकी सरकार की और आपकी पार्टी की, और यही आपका असली चाल चरित्र और चेहरा है.
कानून व्यवस्था की जिम्मेदारी राज्य की सरकार की है, और क्यों कांग्रेस की सरकार कर्नाटक की हाथ पे हाथ धर के बैठी रही? क्या आपसी तालमेल था? क्या मजबूरियां थी? तो कांग्रेस को बताना है भाई. इसका उत्तर कांग्रेस को देना है कि आखिरकार कांग्रेस की सरकार मूकदर्शक बनकर क्यों बैठी रही जब एक गंभीर आरोप एक राजनीतिक व्यक्ति पर वहां पर लगा तो उन्होंने क्यों कार्रवाई नहीं की, कैसे विदेश जाने दिया, क्यों कदम नहीं उठाए। इससे पता चलता है कांग्रेस केवल राजनीति करना चाहती है, उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई नहीं।
Remember, 14 seats in Karnataka go to the polls on the 7th of May as this political flashpoint takes center stage in the state of Karnataka.